beating your meat in the shower. Yes, if you understand that and you want the best out of life, the best out of women, you have to. Yo, what's up my guys? Welcome back to another video. And today I am telling you 4 reasons why women love emotionally unavailable men. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Let's jump into it. Number 1, emotionally unavailable men are masculine. It is a masculine trait. Women are emotional, men are logical. So a guy who is not emotional is so attractive to women because he does not give women that validation. He does not give women, he is strong mentally. And women love strong men. Guys, don't ever listen to any bullshit out here that tells you you should be, emotional, you should get in touch with your feminine side. That's BS. That turns off women quickly. I'm telling you, this is what, and you continually see women chasing guys who are not emotional. These are guys who are rocks. It's like they are not even human, and women love it. Women just want to be around these men. This is because women can be their true self. They can, women can enjoy their feelings. Women love their feelings. Women love emotions. And when you are non-emotional, you let the woman enjoy her feelings. You let her be happy, be sad, you let her be angry. You are not affected by her waves of emotions. And that is what keeps a woman around. You are strong. You are there to support her in times of emotional turmoil. Number 2, guys, non-emotional guys are hard to catch. They are hard to, women love to chase them because they love the chase. They love that feeling of all these women, I am the one that got him. Because you can be 100% sure, if you are non-emotional, you have a lot of women in your life. This is because you understand that being emotional equals beating your meat in the shower. Yes, if you understand that and you want the best out of life, the best out of women, you have to understand that you have to become non-emotional. You have to be stoic. And when you are that guy, when a lot of women are chasing you, they have that feeling that you are the prize. They feel like when she's got you, she feels like she's won a prize, like you're a trophy. And that is the dynamic that is supposed to be. The man is the prize because the man is the one with the value. You are the one who is grinding. You are the one who is, increasing your finances. You are the one who is being chased by all the women. How automatically she's going to feel like, wow, I have the most amazing guy in the world. I have the most attractive guy in the world, and other women want him. But all his eyes are on me. He chose me. Guys, women love the chase. Women love to chase men because they don't have any other thing to do. Let me tell you, this is something I recently discovered. Women will obsess over guys and make it their goal to have him, to win him over. Imagine, while you are trying to conquer the world, she's trying to think of strategies of, wow, how am I going to get him this time? Last time I almost got him. Ha, imagine. So make sure that you are not easy. You are being chased. You give women that space to chase you. I'm telling you that once the dynamic changes, life becomes much more easier. Number 3, non-emotional guys don't validate women. First of all, you must understand this. When a hot woman, a bad chick, when she comes into the view of any guy, automatically there are feelings that are sparked. You either feel nervous, anxious, but when you have mastered the art of stoicism, you are not affected. You have seen enough beautiful chicks to not faze you. And women, they love validation, they love attention. And when you don't give them the attention and the validation, oh my god, you become the most attractive guy in the world. Even if you don't have a head, even if you look, I don't know how, but you do not give women any attention and validation, oh my god, you're going to be so attractive. And guys, you have to let it sink in your head, because when you see any woman, even if you are feeling nervous, even if you're feeling anxious, you are the only one who knows you're feeling that way. Put that mask on and you fake it until you make it. This is something you practice. You practice how you respond to your emotions. Emotions will never go away. You just have to be conscious of your emotions and how you respond to them. That is how you become emotionally unavailable. You know you have your emotions. You know you have that feeling that I want to be around her all the time. I want to be with her. I want to take her all over the world with me. I want to give her all of my attention. But you have to channel that energy to other useful things. You have to realize that once you master how you respond to your emotions, you have that is how success follows you. No one will be able to manipulate you, not even these women. So women will chase these guys because their validation is that valuable to them. If you put them in scarcity, and now you are far much valuable, far much more attractive. Last but not the least, number 4, investment. Women chase guys who are, who make women invest in them. And women are very selfish. I'm telling you, women are the most selfish creatures in the world. You have to make women invest in you so that they can chase you. You have to make them see that you have more value than them. And when they invest their time, their attention, I'm telling you, she will be obsessed over you. Just go look at the players. Go look at the Chads and the Tyrons, how they operate. They do not invest anything in the woman. Their presence is enough. Being me, just being me is enough for you to invest all your time, all your attention. You bend your bend your back. Yes, you have to make these women invest in you. Women, it's just like investing in a business. The more you invest in it, the more you will feel the loss when it goes away or when it fails. The more it will hurt. And that is how women are wired. They will, it's better for them to remain with a guy who is, treating them like trash, but not lose them, because they have invested so much. They have that optimistic mind that he will change or whatever. But guys, you have to make sure women invest in you emotionally, giving you attention, giving you, even investing in you financially. Hope you got something from today's video. See you in the next video. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and share. Peace out.